If you are tired of being promised another simple to use page editor just to find out that you will need a database degree to install it and only a few minutes to learn how to use it, then Easy Page Builder is the application for you. For the sake of speed, many people prefer to stick with what they know and keep things as simple as possible. We all know that time is money, right? As a result, the longer it takes us to produce something, the more money we will require. As the name indicates, it is an easy page builder. You just have to click where you want to edit and type away. There is literally nothing faster or easier. It is a simple to use what you see is what you get editor. This really couldn't get any simpler. If you can point a mouse, click and type, then you have already mastered Easy Page Builder. Its design is simple. Click to select a header if needed, choose your page width, padding and colors, and you are good to go. Complete simple funnel builder. Create a complete funnel very easily, such as sales pages, affiliate pages, OTO pages, quiz pages, webinar pages, etc. Plus, you also get the ability to create any other pages you require. Fast and easy. Upload images directly from the editor in a matter of seconds, allowing you to build beautiful looking pages in no time at all. Yet another feature that makes it faster and easier for you to create pages. If you want to buy Easy Page Builder, check the description. With Easy Page Builder, you won't have to worry about altering intricate HTML code since they have taken care of everything for you. You won't have to worry about website design because they have taken care of it as well. Adding your own personalized details is as easy as clicking your mouse. Here is how it works. Step 1 is upload. Upload to your domain. This usually takes around 30 seconds. Step 2 is login. Log in to your special admin control that they will provide. Step 3 is customization. Personalize your website with their built-in easy edit features, and that's it. It is not only the easiest user-friendly page builder you will ever use, but it also packs a powerful punch when it comes to creating everything you need to sell and deliver your products online, including a complete sales funnel. Fast dynamic editing system. Editing your pages couldn't be any faster with their unique dynamic editing system that is built in. Everything is point and click simple. 100% mobile ready pages. All of your pages will be 100% mobile and tablet free. So you never have to worry about what device your visitors are viewing on. Easy integration with marketplaces. It is very simple to integrate any of your autoresponders, payment processes or marketplaces. It is as simple as copying and pasting everything you need in one place. There is no need to use multiple, often complicated builders. Everything you need of your complete sales funnel is here in one user-friendly dashboard. Duplicate pages in seconds. If you have created a masterpiece, then you can very easily duplicate it in a matter of seconds. It is as simple as copying and pasting. One click backup system. Nobody wants to lose all their hard work, right? So they have integrated a backup system directly into the admin area as well. Click download and you are done. Customize the fly. The easiest way possible to edit something is on the fly. That basically means point and click to edit wherever you are and whatever you see. They have also provided step-by-step video training to make it newbie friendly. And they have included a simple option for you to easily add your own custom CSS or scripts. Unlike some other page builders out there, this one is the simplest and fastest to use, making this 100% newbie friendly page / funnel builder. You can build everything you are looking at right now with Easy Page Builder in a matter of minutes. They are giving you 30-day money back guarantee as well. So there is no risk whatsoever. My recommendation would be you should grab this awesome product right now for just a small one-time payment. You have a full 30 days money back. So no questions asked, guaranteed. check the description to buy Easy Page Builder. I have a lot of bonuses, and if you want that bonus, purchase the product from my link in the description and send me a screenshot of your purchase on my Instagram, and over there I will give you the bonus. Thank you.